Vinod and I have known each other today for 70 years. It is very interesting. But as I go back to 1942, we are together in the kids' school called Shiksha Sadan in Meerut. And all I can say is that he has not changed his face, he has not changed his habits, he is as cheerful as he used to be. But as we grew up together, I don't know, he had a heart much larger than his body. He was very sharp to pick up things, very quick on the uptake. But the best which I enjoyed, and we both enjoyed each other's quality, was that he had a large heart. Always a dost is a dost, a friend is a friend, and he maintaining that all through.
I am Ashok. I am his younger brother. Actually, we have been together for the first 22 years of our lives, like anything. And for me, it was very easy because he was 1 year senior to me. So he used to decide what we are going to do, and I used to follow. School, college, and then cricket team. Cricket mein he was an opening batsman, so I said I must also open. So he dropped to one place below so that I could continue. Then he went for army selection. I also went there, but then he got selected. I was rejected medically. Oh, but anyway, the only thing which I did earlier than him was to get married 3 months earlier.
I am Captain Vyas from the Indian Navy. I am member of the Army Golf Course, and Vinod Gupta is a regular partner who plays golf with us in our team. He has wonderful sense of humor, and particularly while playing golf, we can't be very serious. We think of good things of life and laugh at all.
I am Colonel Jaswant Singh. I have known Vinod since his college days, Meerut College. His father was General Manager Dolala Sugar Mills, and he has a house in the farm where we used to visit very frequently. His elder brother K.K. Gupta was with us. He was junior at the time, but I had known him, and then I had known him in the service. He has been a very good officer, and after retirement, of course, he said we both settled in Sombihar, and we have been together with each other.
His contribution to and love for friends, for helping them, for looking after them, the needy ones, and taking the whole thing in a very balanced perception. That is his biggest quality. His wisdom is high, and he's making the best of it on the golf course when he knows where to hit the ball in the right direction, in the right manner, and with the perfect cut.
When he gets into mood, he plays wonderful golf. When he's not in mood, he's zigzagging on the course.
It was very nice growing up with you, and then we both became engineers because you chose to become an engineer. Although the college tried very hard to make me an engineer, I did fail. But anyway, I did qualify, and we have continued to be close together, and I wish that you join me 2 years later for my 75th.
Hi, I'm Gaurav. Come from Calcutta tonight, just to be here for this special occasion. This chacha of mine is one of my best friends in life. A maverick, trendsetter, my friend, my philosopher, and my guide. Happy 75th chacha.
What I always like, that his spirit of fairness, whether one loses or not, is very fair. And we actually consider him as an accountant of our golf scores. And he is so meticulous about it that he cannot go wrong. And that is why I feel proud to play with him regularly and I miss him if he is not there on the golf course.
I wish him a very, very happy, healthy life to both of them, and may they with their family enjoy and we can celebrate after 25 years the century together. It is wonderful being here and talking to you. Thank you, Vinod, wishing you all the best for years to come.
I wish him a very long life, and I hope his children keep on enjoying his company as we enjoy as his partner in golf.
Hi Nana, happy 75th birthday. I just wanted to tell you that I love you very much. And you've prescribed the best medicine so far. And sharing stories with you has always been fun. You always tell us interesting facts and knowledgeable things. And you've taught me good ethics, good values, and I'm using them and trying to become a good person just like you. So I just wanted to conclude that thank you for everything and happy birthday.
Hi Dada, I just want to let you know that I love you and I want to wish you a very happy birthday and many, many happy returns of the day. I want to thank you for all the time you save me from my mom and dad every time they get after me to study. And so I want to thank you for all the medicines you prescribe me, for all the problems that I have. I just love you with all my heart, and I like to tell you that going with you on the walks, talking with you, it's always been real fun. And I'm never gonna forget you. Now in the end, I just like to say, you're always gonna be there for me, like you have, and I love you with all my heart. And in the end, now I say, happy birthday, sit back and enjoy the ride. Why do you speak something about Dada?
About Dada, I think he's a great man, and I've known him for almost 44 years? 44 years. Yeah, Merit. And we've been good friends, and he's a lovely person and very friendly and what have you. Wish him all the best.
Okay, now I know his Dadu. Your Dadu. He's your Dadu. My God. I know his grandpa and my very dear friend Vinod for 44 years. And you know where we met first? Merit. And he was a garrison engineer there. Then I have been to your granddad's house also. I have seen that house too. So Vinod and I have been meeting off and on for all these years. Fortunately, I have a place to live in somewhere where I come once in a while, and I love my walks with him. I look forward to receiving his emails every day because he and I have a lot to share with each other on the mail. He's a great friend, an intellectual guy, a wizard in investments, which you must know about your Dadu. I wish him all the best and I wish him many, many more happy returns. Thank you.
पापा के बारे में आपको बात करनी है।
I've known Vinod for the last 30 years. We played some golf together. Very delightful company and a good friend. God bless him on his 75th birthday.
Thank you.
I think Colonel Gupta is a remarkable personality. He is fully dedicated to his family. At the same time, he also follows his own interests, whether it is golf or walking or doing other things of interest. So it's very, very lucky, fortunate for Arman to have a wonderful grandfather like Vinodji, and for Ashish and Rachna Bua, to have a wonderful parent like Vinodji and Premji to be there for them. And of course, it's a very special day. It's 75th birthday. Happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of the day. And we hope that we are there to enjoy more time with him. And I'm saying this on behalf of Nani, Arman's Nani, Mrs. Rani Sahni.
बैठो 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 अब दादा के बारे में कुछ बोलो
अरे मैं क्या बोलूं
ऐसा नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड सब
वो कर दिया
कुछ तो बोलो दादा के बारे में मेरी तरफ नहीं कैमरा की तरफ जो
क्या बोलो सब सुनेंगे
हाँ
नहीं नहीं
कोई नहीं सुनेगा घर की वीडियो है आपके पास भी कॉपी होगा
नहीं बेटा
no time you have to say 1 minute I'm just seeing
But you know, ultimately in the morning, you told me that the secret is out. I know.
Your papa, what's his name? Ashish. Wait on, let me say. Ashish and my son, Prashant. Now Prashant was younger than Ashish. So we had gone to their house and he wanted to play with the toys. And he started playing with the toys. Ashish didn't like it. And this fellow started crying. So it was quite embarrassing, but we made up because we were friends. Your Dadu and your Dadi, what's your name? Arman. Arman, you go to Delhi Public School, isn't it? And you're good at what? I hear a lot about you. No. Something like the TV people had come to interview you or something. For? Why? You've done French course or something like that?
No, that was to showcase how the school system in India.
You're keeping up the family tradition. Keep it up, baby. Dada, all the best. Both of you, Dadu and Dadi, both. Okay? We've been friends and we've known each other. Okay? So, a long life. Right? Thank you.
Raj Dhingra, me and your Dada were together in 1973 in Bareilly when your dad was 2 years old. When we visited your Dadu's house, your dad used to play with small toys, and your father encouraged, Dadu encouraged him to play with that. And he was much younger than you, your dad. And your Dada is a very sweet person. He's a good friend of mine. He's a good person, remember? Take care of your Dada. He's a nice man. Raj Dhingra.